How to set up out of office replies in Outlook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to set up out of office, you need to tap on the file option from the top left corner. After that, you must see automatic replies option. From there, select on send automatic replies. Set up the time range for the replies. Check only send during this time range and specify the start and end times. However, if you don't see a time range, the out of office reply will be sent until you manually turn it off. If you do not see the automatic replies option in Outlook, it could be due to using of the version that does not support this feature, which is such as IMAP or POP. In that case, you could select on Set Up Rules and Alerts dialog box and select Apply Rule message I receive under the Start from the blank rule section. From there, choose the specific conditions for the email that should trigger your out of office reply and click on Next to apply the rule for all incoming messages. You can select using a specific template and then select a reply template dialog box. After that, click on Next and it should be set. So this is some alternative you can apply if there is no option of automatic replies. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.